Corporate Keys, Australia's premier provider of furnished apartment for stays of 28 nights or more, would like to introduce our latest building addition, the Lilli Apartments in South Yarra. Lilli South Yarra provides guests with easy access to all inner-city Melbourne has to offer. Catch the tram or walk to the renowned Chapel Street, which offers an enticing mix of high-end fashion retailers, restaurants, cafes and the popular Jam Factory cinema complex. The central business district is easily accessible within 2 stops via tram or cycle through the local parkland, which features a network of pathways. Many of these spacious and bright apartments provide magnificent views over the green oasis of Fawkner Park. Lilli's fully furnished 2- and 1-bedroom apartments feature a modern equipped kitchen with Miele stainless steel appliances and stone bench tops. These tastefully decorated apartments have open-plan living and dining with reverse-cycle air conditioning and heating, European laundry and plenty of cupboard space. Weekly rental includes all utility connections and ongoing usage charges, telephone connection and line rental, plus unlimited local and national telephone calls. Each luxury apartment opens up to a spacious balcony which features an inbuilt barbecue and bench seating. Bookings can be made online at www.corporatekeys.com.au. Unlike booking with real estate agents, our clients are able to book all our apartment solutions sight unseen. Alternatively, to arrange a private viewing, please contact us.